Hello!
Friends, family, we are currently in Auckland, New Zealand. And now we have just gotten our
camper van.
Camper van.
We are at Tui Campers and just rented our Toyota Voxy that we are going to be traveling around parts of the North Island and then ferrying over to the South Island Inn. So this is our home.
Yeah, it is a self-contained vehicle, which means it has a porta potty. So we're able to have some freedom camping. So we wanted that extra characteristic just in case we needed to.
We are gonna try to like stop and shower and use the restroom in places and not use it if we can. So first stop,
Rotarua.
Rotarua.
Let's go. We're actually starting already a week in. The first week we came to New Zealand, we just wanted to hang out with our friends because there is a wedding here of two of our closest friends, Aaron and Nathaniel. So we got to just tour around Auckland, enjoy ourselves. And now we have the camper and we just stopped in our first spot, Rotarua.
Justine's got her little adventure cap on.
Because, you know, blocking your face when the sun's really important. I'm just trying to stay good, stay healthy, you know?
Woo! Yeah. That's a healthy woman. No sunburns here.
That afternoon, we wandered around the beautiful and sculpture-filled government gardens before heading to the lakefront boardwalk, soaking in the beautiful weather and getting a feel for the town. Then, we sampled some local New Zealand beers at the Fainting Goat before walking back to our parking spot and prepping for dinner. We are cooking some pasta for tonight's first camper van dinner. After we have dinner, we're actually going to go to the Polynesian spa, which is right over there. And we're going to do a lakeside view in the spa. So it's going to be really nice and relaxing evening after we stuff our face with pasta. We are at the Polynesian spa right now. So we got the deluxe spa pass, so that means like towels, lockers, shower, bathrooms.
And you're in the spas facing
the lake.
A little more private, a little more pricey. We paid 70 New Zealand dollars each.
Very nice and calming.
And calming. Happy day 2 of being in the camper van.
Yes, so right now we are at the Maori village in Rotarua, and we are doing the guided village tour, which is exactly $45 New Zealand.
Per person.
It's an hour long, and I think it runs like every hour until it closes. So we were able to easily get to the location of the village, buy the tickets there, easy peasy.
The iconic living Maori village of Whakariwariwa has been home to the same people for over 200 years. We were passionately taught about the symbolism in the architecture, the geothermal steam cooking practice called hanji, and about their connections to the land and people around them. The village is also home to the famous Pahutu Geyser, the largest active geyser in the southern hemisphere.
Just left the Maori village. You pronounce it like this from our tour guide.
Te whakarewarewa o te ope taua a Wāhio translates to the uprising war parties or army of Wāhio.
Which was so cool. Such a cool experience.
It was really cool. We got to learn about like all the different face carvings and what story tells. Like, for instance, the father's side is on the right side of a man's face, and then the mother's side is on the left, and then the forehead is their accomplishments. Yeah, their accomplishments and achievements. And I believe the women is the same, but on the chin specifically. So that was really cool. And then just the way they cook with using Mother Nature and the heat to make so much food, I think is one of the coolest things. Like,
yeah,
smart.
And they've been doing it for hundreds of years. So now we are just in standstill traffic in our van, just beginning the drive to Tongariro. Tongariro.
We have a very early morning. We have a 4:50 a.m. start. We're doing the full Alpine Crossing hike. So in miles, it's about 12.2 miles, I believe.
But now for more pretty driving.
Let's go.
Look at this absolutely stunning campsite we are at in Tongariro. Cannot wait. We're gonna go hike up there tomorrow. But gonna enjoy some dinner. Justine, what did we make?
We made some quesadillas, of course.
Some, but yeah, like a lot.
But we eat a lot, so it's fine.
And what did you find? What did you have to find?
Sour cream. Very important.
Absolutely.
You probably cannot see us very well. There you go. We are on the Tongariro Alpine Crossing right now.
It is like 5 a.m.?
Yeah, or no, it's 5 a.m. I forgot we got up so
I have to
early.
just keep looking at you for your spotlight.
So yeah, we're due to start the crossing around 5 a.m. and we'll see.
We just have to make it back
before 4:30.
First bus is at 12:30, and then
Yeah,
they're
every
hour
after that.
every hour until 4:30. So
Yeah.
let's go.
Let's do it. I'm not sure how many kilometers, but this is the very first one you get from the car park.
We've made it to the very steep elevation gain, and we're feeling it right now. So Justine, check out these steps. Justine, how are you feeling?
Good.
We finally found the sun as well.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Sun's here. So now it's time for sunscreen.
The sunglasses have come on. What's up?
Hello.
All right, we have new friends from the Netherlands. We have Michelle and Jorgis. Did I say that right? That's good. Yeah?
Wow.
Yeah. And this is Justine.
We got what? We think an hour and a half left. Or
Yeah.
less.
Yeah. It's been a pretty decent hike. What do you guys think? Like not too hard.
Better than we thought it would be.
Less scarier than the signs and the warnings say.
Definitely.
See, we're killing the time
Did
too.
not need the
Yeah.
raincoat as well.
Not have to wait for
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
10:30, so we've made great time.
We have. We just all shedded a layer as well because the sun is out, feeling hot. Stunning landscape though. Let's do it.
To lunch.
now the landscape has just shifted and we are in very lush jungle. We are about 3 kilometers away, or just over 2 miles away from the other side of the Tongariro Pass.
After making it down, we waited about 15 minutes for the first bus that took us back to the camp, where we showered, cooked a quick instant noodle meal, and chilled for the rest of the night. The next morning, we packed up and got ready to carry on.
It is about 10 o'clock. We left about an hour ago, and we're heading on our way to Wellington. There are little like Lord of the Rings scenes along the way, so we're thinking that we could stop by, take a look, maybe recreate some scenes from the movie, because of course big fans here. Day 4, how you feeling?
Pretty good. I feel like we've been sleeping really well in here in our little cubby, in our little bedspread we got going on, and with all the curtains, it's very private. I don't usually like driving, but I found myself eager to get on the road because the scenery is just, the landscape is so stunning, and the rolling hills, the mountains in the distance. Honestly, it's just such a special landscape, so I'm having a great time. And we did just discuss a name for the van, because we've seen other vlogs and shit, and people name their vans. So we're gonna go with Eowyn from Lord of the Rings, who slays the Witch King at the end of Lord of the Rings. So she's a badass. She's, yeah. We are here at Kaitoke Regional Park, about 45-ish minutes north of Wellington. It's an absolutely gorgeous regional park that I have been so excited to come check out, because it's also the filming location for Rivendell in Lord of the Rings. We are walking through where the set of Rivendell was back in 1999 when they began filming. They shot all 3 of the films at the same time.
Which I did not know that at all.
Build a set, knock out all the scenes that take place there, and then, you know, take it down so nature can come back and take its course. You would never recognize this area, but this is where they built many of the Rivendell structures. And these plaques are super informative. They tell you a lot about what was here. They're like, oh, the camera was set up 2 meters away from where you're standing right now. And it's really, really awesome. We are nerding out big time.
It's awesome.
It's got a cool mixture of film and book lore as well. So
Very cool.
I recommend, and it's free. Come on.
We are driving into Wellington.
Woo!
Our last stop on the North Island.
The traffic was hefty. We came in right at 5 p.m.
Rush hour.
Rush hour. We're good. We made it. We parked in that parking lot. Now we're gonna go to find some internet, which we haven't had in a while. Get some work done, and maybe have a beer.
We'll have a beer.
We will have a beer. Let's do it.
Our first evening in Wellington, we walked around the Ferre Pa Lagoon, looking out over the harbor and viewed some of the many art pieces that dot the area. For dinner, we ate a fast casual pizza spot called Hell's Pizza. Then we met up with our friend Liam, who we met at the wedding, who, turns out, absolutely shreds the guitar. We had a blast at Eva's pub with Liam and some locals, before parking our van in front of his home in the hills of Wellington for the night.
What's up?
Hello, hello. So today is now day 5.
We are about to explore the Te Papa Museum here in Wellington, kind of right in front of the bay. And it's a really cool museum. It was recommended by many New Zealanders, many Kiwis we know to come. And it's free.
The only thing you have to pay for is the traveling seasonal exhibitions that are here. So right now it's something about dinosaurs. And I think it costs around 30 New Zealand dollars for adults. I'm not sure about kids or families.
So it is free, but after every exhibit, they do have donation boxes, and they even had some credit card machines, or you can pay with credit card, you can donate with credit card. So really happy we came already, and we're gonna just go check out some exhibits.
Let's go.
We visited an incredible and interactive exhibit about the New Zealand Infantry Brigade. We learned about their involvement in the brutal Gallipoli Front in World War II before making our way to the ferry to cross to the South Island.
All right, so we're back in the van, Eowyn, and we are at the Inter-Islander Ferry Crossing. Campgrounds, trailers, and wide vehicles to the right, that's us. And we are about to get on the ferry, and it's recommended that you get here, well, you have to get here to check in a minimum of an hour early. And we're about to check in right now. Then jump on that 4-hour ferry down to Picton.
Let's go.
See you there.